Welcome, Wiregrass. Chris Rose doing an attic inspection. Today we've come to look for a previous water leak, and when we got up in the attic, this is what we found. There's a piece of wood that was not removed from the roof repair, and as you can see, the decking doesn't actually go all the way over. And here's the crazy part. Old rotten piece, not taken out. But as we were cruising across the deck, trying to pay attention to what we had to go look at, we come across this. Yep, there it is. They cut the bottom of the cord of the truss out, which is, I mean, that's just really crazy. To put a light fixture in, and there's no support, no extra added repair, and that's a truss right in the middle of the roof. And the funny part about it is the roof leaked right there. Well, if you weaken your roof really bad and you cut your framing members out, it eventually will leak. So not only is it a plywood repair, but now they're going to have to come back and fix the truss. So when you say, hey, should I get a re-inspection? Should I get an inspection? These are the things we find all the time. Protect yourself. Double check. Make sure everything is right before you close. Chris Rose, Inspection Plus. If we can help you with that, we'll be there. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.